Welcome to our Hecky Fish channel. Today, we will explore one of the most famous and powerful strategic transport aircraft in the world, the C-5 Galaxy. This giant of the skies has become a cornerstone of U.S. global military logistics for many decades. Let's delve into its technical specifications, special features, and understand why it is an irreplaceable asset in the U.S. military arsenal. First, let's review the basic technical specifications of the C-5 Galaxy. The aircraft is 73.5 meters long, 19.8 meters high, with a wingspan of 67.8 meters. Its empty weight is approximately 172,000 kilograms. And its maximum payload reaches up to 129 tons, nearly double the 77-ton capacity of the C-17. The C-5's range is about 4,440 kilometers when fully loaded and can extend to 13,000 kilometers when unloaded. Its maximum speed is 919 kilometers per hour. The price of each C-5M Super Galaxy, the latest version, is around $170 million. Regarding engines, the C-5 Galaxy is equipped with 4 General Electric TF39G E1C turbofan engines, each producing a thrust of 191 kilonewtons. With its enormous size and superior load capacity, the C-5 Galaxy plays a pivotal role in U.S. military logistics. It can transport large quantities of troops, supplies, and even heavy military equipment such as tanks, helicopters, satellites, and components of other aircraft anywhere in the world. This capability enables the U.S. military to maintain flexibility and readiness for force deployment in any situation. The uniqueness of the C-5 Galaxy lies not only in its massive size and payload, but also in several distinctive features unmatched by any other aircraft. First, dual-end loading capability. The C-5 Galaxy can open doors at both the nose and tail of the aircraft, allowing faster and more convenient loading and unloading of cargo. The unique kneeling mechanism. The aircraft's landing gear hydraulic system allows it to kneel down, lowering the fuselage to facilitate easier loading and unloading of cargo. Third, the massive landing gear system. The C-5 has a landing gear system with a total of 28 wheels, enabling it to land safely, even on less than ideal runways. The maximum takeoff weight of the C-5 reaches an astonishing 380 tons. The estimated flight hour cost of the C-5M Super Galaxy is up to $100,400 per hour. This is a considerable figure reflecting operational costs, maintenance, fuel, and other factors related to maintaining one of the largest strategic airlifters in the world. Such immense hourly operating costs, some economically constrained countries might find it difficult to operate even a few donated 100 to 5 transport aircraft. Another remarkable feature of the C-5 Galaxy is its transportation capacity. The C-5 Galaxy boasts impressive cargo space and can carry various large military vehicles and equipment. First, M1 Abrams tanks. The C-5 can carry up to 2 M1 Abrams tanks simultaneously. Each M1 Abrams weighs about 60 tons, and the fact that the C-5 can transport 2 demonstrates its colossal payload capacity. Second, Humvees. The C-5 can carry up to 15 Humvees in its cargo hold. These are lighter, multi-purpose military vehicles compared to the M1 tank, allowing the C-5 to accommodate multiple units in a single trip. Third, helicopters. The C-5 can carry up to 3 UH-60 Black Hawk helicopters. These helicopters can be folded compactly to fit within the C-5's cargo compartment, maximizing available space. The C-5 can even transport artificial satellites, a feat rarely achievable by other aircraft. Moreover, besides carrying cargo, the C-5 Galaxy also has passenger carrying capability. In fact, the C-5 Galaxy's design includes 2 decks. The upper deck is designed for crew and passengers, with a maximum capacity of up to 75 people. This deck is typically used for special missions, such as transporting soldiers or military personnel who need to travel along with cargo or equipment. Thanks to its vast interior space and ability to carry heavy and oversized military equipment, the C-5 Galaxy is an indispensable strategic transport vehicle for the U.S. military, enabling rapid and efficient deployment of forces and equipment to any location worldwide. It's somewhat curious that the original production cost of each C-5 Galaxy was about $100 million. However, after undergoing modernization and upgrade programs, the actual value of a C-5 Super Galaxy has significantly increased. For example, the C-5M Super Galaxy Modernization Program, the latest version of the C-5, has substantially raised the value of each aircraft, potentially reaching $150 million or more, depending on specific configurations and requirements. A reference figure is $170 million. Interestingly, this is only half the price of the smaller C-17 transport aircraft, which the U.S. sells to other countries for $340 million. Regarding aerial refueling capability, the C-5M Super Galaxy can be refueled mid-air, allowing it to extend its range and conduct longer strategic transport missions without needing to land for refueling en route. In theory, it could fly around the Earth without running out of fuel. This capability is crucial for missions requiring extended flight times and where opportunities for refueling at airports are limited. How many C-5 transport aircraft does the U.S. currently have? As of now, the U.S. Air Force operates approximately 52 C-5 Galaxies, including C-5A, C-5B, and especially the most advanced C-5M Super Galaxy versions. Most of these aircraft have been upgraded to the C-5M standard, featuring improved engines, avionics systems, and operational capabilities to extend their service life within the U.S. Air Force. Another interesting question: why does the U.S. military still need the C-5 despite having the C-17? Both the C-17 Globemaster III and the C-5 Galaxy are strategic transport aircraft of the U.S. Air Force, but they serve different purposes and have distinct characteristics. First, massive payload capacity. The C-5 Galaxy can carry nearly twice as much cargo as the C-17. The C-5 can transport up to 129 tons, while the C-17 Globemaster III carries about 77 tons. This makes the C-5 irreplaceable when transporting large military equipment or substantial cargo volumes in a single mission. Second, longer range. Even when fully loaded, the C-5 can fly farther than the C-17. This is critical for strategic transport, missions requiring delivery of goods to remote locations without multiple refueling stops. Third, specialized transport capability. The C-5 can transport military equipment that the C-17 cannot, such as large aircraft components, helicopters, or even satellites. Additionally, features like dual end loading and the annealing mechanism make cargo handling easier. especially on non-standard runways. Fourth, operational versatility. While the C-17 excels at taking off and landing on short, poorly equipped runways, the C-5 remains essential for missions requiring massive cargo loads and operations on standard runways. Although the C-17 Globemaster III is an extremely flexible and modern transport aircraft, the C-5 Galaxy continues to be a vital component of the U.S. Air Force's airlift fleet due to its unparalleled cargo capacity and long range. Both aircraft work together to ensure the U.S. military can meet all global strategic transport needs. With such extraordinary capabilities, the C-5 Galaxy truly stands as a symbol of American military aviation power and technological prowess. It is not just massive in size, but also monumental in strategic importance for protecting and maintaining America's global military strength. Finally, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss other exciting videos from us. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.